My name is Amira binti Ramli from DHF3A, student in pmku Polytechnic Metro Kuantan. Today, I will show you about different watch, yeah, and wall clock. Wall clock has a 12 number and neither minutes, second, and time. Okay, this is button for adjust timer and a battery. Okay, most battery use battery AA. Okay, some clock have music to tell the time, and has a clock have many colors and shape. Like my clock has a square shape and color white and green. Okay, now this is a watch. The watch same like wall clock has a 12 number. You see, just 12 number, but the number is smaller than the clock, and also 3 needle, second, minutes, and time. Okay, the watch also have a variety color and shape, like my watch. Color is gold and a triangle, a square shape. But the watch battery use a smaller battery than the clock. The battery like Panadol, the small round like Panadol. Yeah. Okay, why I choose clock and watch? Because the clock often the clock will be placed in the kitchen. Customer, for your boss, for your mom, and so on. But watch cannot be used by the chef who was cooking, because in case yeah, you're cooking and watch it fall in the cuisine has become one of hygiene. Okay, I think that's all for today, and thank you for watching. Bye.